Alright, now we're just going to look for Sarah. Say hi, Dawson. That's gonna be great when she sees that. We're looking for Sarah. It's not a dog.
Remember one time we did that? I told Joss went off in the woods because he was pissed, right? So he just wanted to go for a walk. Joss' parents called Andrew and Trey. Holy shit, look at the size of him.
Try to grab one, Doss. Let's see what they do.
Try to grab one, it'll bite the shit.
It'll bite your face.
Derek? Oh, damn. That was like a
Dawson dropped a cigarette.
that
was a whole one.
Pretty much. I got like a drag off it. Joss went off in the woods, right? And Andrew and Trey were like, man, would you know what woods Joss went off? I was like, no, just go out in the woods and go. Yeah, Joss.
Look at the little duckling.
That sucks.